Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to explore beautiful denim handbags designs. These creative bags are stylish, practical and perfect for everyday use. Let's discover amazing ideas that can inspire your next DIY project. Old denim jeans can become beautiful handmade bags instead of being thrown away. Recycling denim is a smart and eco-friendly idea that helps reduce waste while creating something useful and fashionable. Denim fabric is famous for its strength and durability. A handmade denim bag can last for many years with proper care. That is why the denim is one of the best materials for making bags. There are many different styles of denim bags. You can create tote bags, handbags, shoulder bags, crossbody bags, and backpacks, and mini bags, and shopping bags to match your personal style. Adding colorful fabric, lace, ribbons, or crochet flowers makes every denim bag more attractive. This simple decoration gives each bag a unique and beautiful handmade touch. Embroidery is another wonderful way to decorate denim bags. Beautiful flowers, sleeves, hearts, or simple patterns can completely change the look of an ordinary bag. Many people enjoy using old jeans pockets on handmade bags. These pockets are useful for keeping keys, phones, wallets, and other small items safe and easy to reach. You can choose different handle styles for your denim bags: leather handles, rope handles, bombo handles, or fabric straps, or create different fashionable looks. Denim handbags are perfect for shopping because they are strong enough to carry groceries and books, clothes, and many other everyday essentials without tearing easily. Students also love denim bags because they are comfortable, lightweight, and stylish. They are perfect for carrying notebooks, laptops, stationery, and personal items every day. A handmade denim handbag looks beautiful with casual outfits. it, it makes matches jeans, dresses, skirts, and many other clothes styles, making it a perfect fashion accessories. You can combine light blue denim with dark blue denim to create attractive color contrasts. Mixing different shades makes every handmade bag look modern and creative. Adding zippers, magnetic buttons, or snap closures make the bag safer and more practical. These small details improve both beautiful and functionality. Inside the bag, you can sew colorful cotton fabric as a lining. This gives the bag a neat finish and protects your belongings while adding extra beauty. Many denim bags include several inside pockets for organizing mobile phones, pens, makeup chargers, and other daily essentials in a convenient way. Denim bags are perfect for traveling because they are lightweight, spacious, and comfortable to carry. They can hold many useful items while remaining stylish. If you enjoy DIY denim bag making as an exciting project, even beginners can create beautiful design with simple sewing tools and basic stitching technique.